Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to test regular expressions to test a string. As a reminder, this project, basically this is telling you to set it up. We've been doing it on REPL.it. If you haven't been following along with this one, I recommend that you do that. We're moving into this section of the one_unit-test.js. And so now we're going to use match. Asserts that the actual value matches the second argument regular expression. So use assert.match to make the tests pass. So if we come back over here, we see match asserts that the actual value matches the second argument regular expression. So yeah, here we have an assert.fail and assert.fail. Those are the two ones. We want to get a match and a not match in here. So format people, John Doe, format people, where does that come from? So I'm going to scroll back up here. So you see format people comes out like this. And so it's a function in which we pass in a name and an age, and then we return a string, number, or the pound sign, name, colon, space, and then we have name, and we inject the name. So for this example, it would be John Doe, and then it would, and then we're going to continue on, comma, age, colon, and then the age, and then we're going to add a new line. Okay, cool. So, yeah, matches the second argument regular expression, the regex. So here we have our regex, and our regex should be, oh wow, this is tough, a space with name, asserts the actual match the second argument regular expression, name, age. Okay, so this is the name, and we're just trying to match it. It's passing a name. Just dang, I don't know the answer to this one. Hold on, let's rerun the tests and see what happens. So I'm going to scroll down here just to see how it works. Okay, so obviously our tests aren't passing right now, which is not a surprise because we have assert fail. So yeah, is this going to match this? Format people. This is the name and the age, the regex. I mean, age backslash. How would it even know that? So I'm going to scroll down to here. Look at this. Assert.fail. Well, the cool thing about this is it kind of tells us exactly what we need to know. We're failing on line 156, and they're saying that assert.fail, that's not working, so we could go. Look, the beginning starts with a pound sign, and then space. There's a space. So this is the pound, and then the space, and then the name. Name. Yeah, and then they have they have like an exit thing so that they can do a colon, and then a space, and then there's a as many /W. Oh, I think that's letters, and then a space, and then an age and a colon, which gives us the string. So that gives us age colon, and then digit plus. So that tells us that the 35 is good. Yeah, so the digit plus is the key here, I'm guessing. So I'm going to say that this one matches because the W is non-digital letters. So that's like all like uppercase and lowercase letters. And then a digit plus, and then a space and a new line. And so what I'm going to say is this is matching, and then this is not match. And we use camel case. Make sure you're checking your case in this situation. And so that's my guess. And so now what's going to happen is when I rerun the tests, I'm hoping to see that strings have this match and non-match working. So I'm going to rerun it. And I'm up here in the terminal. It's important that I scroll back down and watch this terminal actually load up. And so I scroll back up because as it loaded up, it filled itself in. and my match and not match worked. So I got this right. If you didn't get this right, I recommend scrolling down to here and finding out where your next error is, and then looking into the file name and then the line, and then looking carefully at that. So yeah, now that we've got that guy, we can copy this guy over, copy the URL of our server over. And once again, if you don't have a functional REPL thing, I would recommend watching the first video in the series, and then paste it into the solution. And that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.